Hello student, good afternoon. Hope all of you are doing well. I am also very well. I am waiting for your joining. So please join the class mentioning your name, roll number, shift as soon as possible. And get ready with your textbook, exercise book and the writing pen. Okay? I think the midterm syllabus is complete now. So you are just waiting for your exam from 16 or 15 instant. So today I am going to give you some creative question. I mean competency based or a structure based question. Very simple, very easy to understand. Just as a sample or sample question for your better understanding, so that you will be able to answer the question very correctly, properly in the midterm test. Okay, I hope this question answer will be very helpful to you, because this is the second class with you by me. Actually, from the beginning, how many question have been given, I don't know, because other teachers, other sirs or me's already completed those. So you follow those question answer which were my best to help you by giving some question under the question pattern, board standard question pattern. So let's write together. Okay, what's the name of the chapter 1? Our environment. This carries 6 marks. This week. Time, this question was given in the write 2 example of non-living things that animals, to live. How do plants depend on non-living things. Write 4 sentences about it. This is the question. It carries 6 marks. Okay. So you see, write 2 examples of non-living things that animals depend on to live. How do plants depend on non-living things? Write 4 sentences about it. So correct answer is 2 examples. 2 example of non-living things. Non-living things that animals depend on to live are water and air. Okay, 2 things, and there are many other things also. Living things, examples of non-living things that animals depend on to live are water and, because in the question only 2 examples are mentioned. 2 examples are mentioned. Okay, first example is water and second example is air. So based on this air and water, we have to write the answers. So next sentence, plants depend on non-living things. Following points. By the following plants absorb water. Plants absorb water by their roots. By their roots from the soil. From the soil or from underground. Okay, and transfer it to the leaves, to the stem, I mean upper side of the plants. Plants use to produce food. To produce food. Number C, Point C. Use carbon dioxide from air to complete photosynthesis. The process of making foods by plant in presence of sunlight, that is called photosynthesis. Okay, and oxygen from air to do respiration process. Or here you write photosynthesis process. Okay, so this is the 4 points, 4 sentences. Water and air. Based on water, air, these 4 points. Okay, plants absorb water by their roots from the soil and transfer it to the leaves. Plants use water to produce food. Full stop. Plants use carbon dioxide from air to complete photosynthesis process. This type of question or this type of creative question are given in the exam. Okay, so you must practice lot of question, this type of question from all chapter, from every chapters. I think also, and so model question are given in the book. Especially the test paper, which are published by the publishers. So you must follow the test papers. The question, regular practice. You have regular practice. And next question I am giving, is it writing this question answer? So write, tell me in the comment section, yes or not. I am waiting for you. If it is not completed, I am waiting, I am showing you. So write down this. Write down this. So I am moving to the next question, next creative question. Okay, I am moving to the next creative question. I think you have completed this. Next creative question. Okay, next creative question. I am Number 2, CQ number 2. Okay. What is food chain? Write in 4 sentences. How energy passes to animal. Passes to animal in a food chain. What is food chain? I don't know what is food chain. I don't know the definition of food chain. Write in 4 sentences how energy from the sun passes to animals in a food chain. It's a common, I know food chain is something like that. The energy transferring animals. For example, the cows get energy from taking grass, from eating grass. Okay, and similarly we get meat from the cows, and we get energy. That is the that's we call it food chain. Transfer of energy from one animals to the flow of energy in an ecosystem from plants to animal food chain. This is one of the definitions, but you may follow the text, or you get the definition from the textbook also. So this is what I have given to you. I mean, it is not to or 100% correct that you have to write exactly as answer it with your own words or from the textbook. Okay, no need to follow exactly what I have written or what I am writing. This is just near about the answer. Okay, answer is not dependent on any specific teacher, any specific student. What you know, I don't know. What one student knows, another student doesn't know about that. What one student answer, because knowledge, ideas are not same. Okay, so it is your freedom, it is your right to answer as correctly as possible with your knowledge, with your idea, with your you have acquired, right? So point number is, I mean sentence number directly or indirectly. Indirectly depend on energy depend on plants sorry for their energy. Produce by the help of sunlight. Point B, an insect eats the green plant. For example, grasshopper. Green plants or grass, and energy passes plants to insect body. Okay, insect body. Clear. Number C, point C, insect is eaten by the frog. And again energy transfers from insect body to the frog body. What I have explained to you. Finally, eaten by the snake. By the eagle, by the king eagle, and energy passes from lower level consumer higher level small animal to big animal. Okay, higher level consumer. from a small animal to energy passes from the lower animal to higher level consumer. You can write it from lower animals to higher animals, okay? Smaller animals to bigger animals, like that. So these two clearly. So thank you for your patience, for your watching my. Assalamu alaikum.